Had a nice little thing, but I had to let it go. Cause I'm only after M's, kinda like the.
So guys, also gonna be showing you my new, it's not new, it's my OBS that I've been having for a while. What we're gonna be doing today, I want to swap out this this steering wheel. I purchased. No, I got it. I purchased a different steering wheel. I mean, has horn too. I want to switch it over. Let me show you guys. I purchased this one from eBay. I like how they looked. Comes with the bolts. Let me show you guys. This is exactly how front. This is the back. This is cap. It goes here with the horn. Let me get set up, guys, and I'll start recording right now, just so you can see the process. Okay, you see that? It came right off, guys. Everything, but I found out now that I need an adapter. I mean, I don't have it because I only have the steering wheel itself, this part, this bolts for the horn, and well, yeah, and this. But this ain't the adapter, so gotta wait now. Well, stay tuned, guys. I did mention to you before. I mean, we removed the top, where I showed you to remove the airbag, and then the bottom plastic. Well, in this, Forever Sharp, they give you this part, they give you this, they give you this, and this, and the steering wheel. Okay, well, first we installed this. You gotta make sure this part in the very back right there, that's gonna be your horn. So after that, we're gonna put this part like that, and then if you see, we have, let me show you, take this nuts off. We're gonna line it up. See if you can see, this part has to be right there, this part like that. I need two hands for this. You see, right there lines up. Okay, after we install those 3 screws, your horn should have this. This is for the horn. If you see it, watch, I'm gonna press it. It presses. But first we gotta put this part right here. This. Next is the horn. We're gonna put this. I don't know what that thing is called. Both of these in one. This is what the horn comes with. We're gonna connect them that. We just gotta connect the other one to ground. We could just unscrew this a little bit and put it to ground. That should be it. And you'll see right now the next step. I connected the red just to one side, and if you see, the ground to that, and the horn works now. So right now let's just assemble back the steering wheel.